Welcome back to Car Rush, where we bring you the finest and most luxurious rides on the planet. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate expression of luxury and performance, the 2025 Mercedes Maybach. If you thought Mercedes-Benz was already at the pinnacle of luxury, Maybach takes it a step further, redefining sophistication and power in ways you wouldn't believe. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Mercedes Maybach is an absolute masterpiece, blending timeless elegance with modern technology. The iconic chrome grille, the ultra-slim LED headlights, and the two-tone paint job make it instantly recognizable. Every detail, from the massive chrome wheels to the refined Maybach emblem on the C-pillar, screams exclusivity. This is not just a car, it's a status symbol. Now, step inside, and you'll understand why the Maybach is in a league of its own. The cabin is a sanctuary of luxury, featuring the finest Napa leather, real wood trim, and ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. The seats. Oh, they're not just seats, they're first-class loungers with heating, cooling, and a massage function. Rear passengers get the VIP treatment with reclining seats, a champagne fridge, and even a high-end Burmester 4D surround sound system that turns the car into a private concert hall. Under the hood, the 2025 Maybach isn't just about luxury, it's got serious power too. It comes with a twin-turbo V8 or an optional V12, delivering effortless acceleration and an ultra-smooth ride. The advanced air suspension and active noise cancellation ensure that you glide over the road, completely isolated from the outside world. And with all-wheel drive and rear-wheel steering, maneuvering this beast is effortless, whether you're cruising down the highway or making tight city turns. Tech-wise, the Maybach is loaded with the latest innovations. The massive MBUX Hyperscreen stretches across the dashboard, offering an intuitive and futuristic driving experience. It's got AI-powered voice control, an augmented reality heads-up display, and even Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, meaning this car can practically drive itself in certain conditions. The 2025 Mercedes Maybach isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a rolling palace, a statement of success, and the ultimate way to travel in style. Let us know in the comments what you think of this masterpiece. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible car content, only here on Car Rush.